This is the loudest snoring dog ever. You're probably hearing right now. Okay, this is the loudest snoring dog ever. So yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, he always snores when he goes to sleep. So yeah, and we can hear him like always when he's in his cage. In the night, and we can hear him from downstairs, from upstairs. So yeah, it's pretty loud. So yeah, thanks for watching, and rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.